All right, hey friends and subscribers. It's been a while. It's been about 2-3 years, and I know you've been waiting for this time. So it can come up and in any better time than the Christmas season. So today I want to just introduce you something fantastic. It's very simple, very easy, and very economical. But you're gonna taste the best guacamole ever. So today I have guacamole for you. Alright, so what you're gonna need is basically a cutting board, and I have 4 avocados, a tomato, 2 limes, a jalapeno, a white onion, and cilantro. So if you were able to find Himalaya salt, that's my preference. But sea salt will actually do the trick as well. This is something that when I went to New Orleans, this is the best thing ever. So it's called Joe stuff. So if you're able to find it, you wanna try to do some of Joe stuff. Let's get into it. What I do is I get each one of the vegetables and I cut it in small little pieces. The smaller slices, the better. I start with the onion, just chop it in really small pieces. Then I get the jalapeno, and with the jalapeno, what I do is really cut a slice and a half, remove all the seeds and the things that you just don't want, and chop it in a very little small pieces. So you want to get a kick in your guacamole. You don't want your mouth on fire. Same thing with the tomatoes. So cut it, chop it in pieces, and add it all into the pot. I do the same with the cilantro. Chop it in really small pieces. The smallest, the better. So small, thick, small. All right, so basically I'm squeezing limes. So 2 limes total into the already cut, very fine cut onion, tomato, jalapeno, and cilantro. And I got my technique, a unique technique for the avocado. So I basically the key is just to remove the seed and get as much as avocado uh, out possible from the skin. Once I get all that, I kind of smash it, and yeah, the key is to get it, get a consistency, really crunchy type of, thick. All right, so after I smash a little bit of everything and get it like a chunky consistency, so I want to add 1 spoon of Himalayan salt. Your stuff. All right, so it's done. Please remember to like this video if you like it, and comment, and definitely if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everybody. 2020 is going to be great.